Often on our PC we have big unnecessary directories and files, which takes our valuable disk space. Easiest way to release the most of this taken space is to remove big directories and files. How to find these big files? This is exactly what I want to show you. So let's get started. As you can see, here I prepared folder structure you can see here. And let's start by creating Python file. Let's open this main.py and let's write 3 main steps to achieve with this program. So you can see, first step is to make a dirs of 3. Show it like this. Next we need to check size of our file to find exactly the file which we want to remove or move to another place, and show the path to our file. So let's start by creating the tree of our dirs. For every root, dirs and files, we need to go walk through the tree, and we need to use function walk from module OS. So let's import operating system. Now we can access to our method. So here we need to define the path of our directories. So let's take this path and let's switch backslashes. Let's add one more backslash. And let's add parameter to iterate directories, scan directories from bottom to up. So down equals false. Equals false. And for every iteration, we need to get access to our names of our files, and we need to print the way from root to our name of file and from root to our name of dir. So let's write this for loop. So you can see that I join path from root to our name of file, and I need to do the same thing to our dir. For every dirs, I need to get name, and from root I'm coming to the name of the dir, the lowest level of dir. So let's check if it's work correctly. As you can see, I get same path in which we can see on this image. So now I need to get access to our even size and find this file. So let's add even size and let's equals this to 5000 because it's in megabytes, and I need to find files and directories which are bigger than 5 gigabytes. And let's create current size of our files. Let's set it on 0, and we need to change this value by using code from operating system. So os path dot get size. We need to get size of this file which is on the end of our root. We can remove this part, and next we need to create our function, and let's define this like check, and we need to give this function parameters. It will be current size and our given size. We need to go to this check function from every loop of this. These loops look the same. So let's print this here. And now we need to check if our current size of file is greater or equals than given size. We need to print this path down here. So let's copy this path and print it here. Here we need to change our values because it's in megabytes and method getSize gets value in bytes. So we need to multiply by 1024. This sign means it's power 2, so it's the same like this. So now I have here my bytes from given size, and let's check if it works properly. I need to change also my directories, because here I have only empty files and directories. So I check for every folder and file in my disk D. So let's check if it works or not. It can take a couple of minutes, depends how many files you have on your disk drive. As you can see, I have first file, path to first file, and also some more paths. So you can see that it works. I hope you can now remove unnecessary files from your PC. You have new free space for new files. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.